Hey, what's up guys? So today is a 2016 No Pants subway ride, and I took some chocolate and rubbed it on my tidy whities to make it look like I shit myself. And watch out through the whole video because I got a special treat at the end of the video. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Why is everyone like pantsless?
Today's National Pants Day.
Is it like an actual holiday? Yeah. So it's like not illegal to do it? So I could join them?
Yeah, you can. You want to.
What? What? Oh fuck, really? Oh my god, yo. Alright, so there's a TV camera. I'm gonna be on TV, yo. Tiny whities! Yeah! What? Oh my god! What? It's chocolate, it's chocolate!
Oh my god.
Annual.
Yeah.
So it's legal. I think like this underwear is okay, like tidy whities, you know? What? What?
Language, but
What?
you got something like about
Hey, wait, I wanna get in the photo, I wanna get in the photo.
Oh my god!
oh, you can't
That shit stays
That's how we do it. Yeah.
So the grossest thing is right. I mean, you see, there's a dirty shirt, and he's wearing a jockstrap. Like that's not even underwear. That's gross.
YouTuber too.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, cool.
So I just got recognized by a fan. Choose a one.
What's going on? My name is Adler.
Yeah. He just told me he makes videos with your.
My video channel is Low Key NYC.
Yeah.
So check us out.
Alright, so check out your videos, and then maybe we'll collab something or something.
For sure, man. Yeah.
Alright, cool. Nice meeting you guys.